All right, guys, we're doing another break of Hit Parade Limited Football. This also is Series 7. So box 95 out of 100. You've got one high-end autograph per box. Guys like Tom Brady in here. You've got Montana. You've got guys like Elway, Peyton Manning, Aaron Rodgers. A lot of the quarterbacks are in here. So this is a little bit different in that it's a random letter break. So there's 10 spots altogether, and every spot gives you 2 random letters. 2 random first letter of the last name. So we've got rid of Q and X and Z and all that. So Barry's got 1 spot, Tony's got 1, or Tony's got 2, and then Bill P picked up the last 7 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the letters. So we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, now we'll mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Barry's got last name L and A. Tony, you've got G, R, V, and B. And then Bill's got everybody else. So Bill's got K, C, J, N, W, T, H, M, E, Y, F, S, P, and D. Bill, I'm sure you can remember all those. All right, so there is the rundown of the last name letters. Who's got what? Yeah, Stephanie, we'll get the jerseys will be towards the end of the night, so we've got a little bit of time before that. All right, yeah, let's pull that Brady. 95 out of 100 is the box number there. We are due for a Brady for sure. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's not a Brady, but this is a freaking monster. How about a Russell Wilson Gem Mint 10 Contenders Rookie Auto? Dude, what does that run? About $500, $600? That is a freaking monster hit. So that is going to be last name W, which is going to be, of course, Bill. Bill P, man, that is nasty. Bill, that's amazing, man. And if you're interested in trading that or whatever, I'd love to get that off your hands. Really, really cool card. So nice hit out of limited football. That's amazing. All right, so we'll drop that in the mail to Bill unless he wants to trade me. So appreciate you guys jumping in on the limited football. We'll try to do another of these next weekend. So I'll grab another one, and so be on the lookout in the email for us to do another limited football.